We have some big news coming in as the COVID cases spike in Maharashtra. Mumbai civic body sources reveal that no lockdown on the cards. Stringent implementation of rules and COVID guidelines were suggested in Chief Minister's review meeting. Situation is being monitored continuously. No patient of new strain yet found in Mumbai though. Last month, 5 patients were detected with UK strain in Mumbai are now fully recovered. So far, situation is under control as per the Mumbai civic body. Here we're looking at the civic body revealing that there will be no lockdown again in Mumbai. This is what the Mumbai civic body has to say. It says that strict implementation of rules and COVID guidelines will be suggested in the Chief Minister's review meeting. They also clarify situation is being monitored continuously. Sahil Joshi joining us live for more details. Sahil, a lot of talk about Mumbai going through another lockdown, possibly a night curfew. But here's the Mumbai civic body clarifying that there will be no lockdown on the cards again, but strict implementation of COVID guidelines will be followed.
Well, there have been a lot of rumors which are taking rounds whether there will be lockdown, fresh lockdown in city of Mumbai. Because as you had mentioned earlier that the 3 districts in Maharashtra are already facing a partial lockdown. And now we are also hearing that Wardha, the another district, has the district administration has declared that the schools and colleges will be shut down. Looking at the COVID situation rising rapidly in state of Maharashtra. But the BMC has made it clear that right now the lockdown is not on the cards. But what BMC is trying to do is strict implementation of the guidelines and rules and regulations during COVID times, especially wearing masks at the public places and keeping social distancing. At the same time, the BMC has also sent around 90 samples to NIV to check whether the new strain has entered the limits of city limits of Mumbai. But right now there are no new cases which the BMC says have been found of the new strain. There were cases of the UK strain. They had found last month in Mumbai. 5 patients were found positive for the UK strain, but now they are fully recovered. Their contact tracing was also done, but nothing was found on that side. So the BMC is saying that the Mumbai doesn't have to worry about the UK strain or the new strain, but they are monitoring the situation all the time, and every week there will be a new decisions likely depending on the number of new cases in Maharashtra as well as in Mumbai. But what is more worrying right now in Maharashtra is that the test positivity rate in districts like Amravati and Akola are more than 25. That is something which the state administration is worried about.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Sahil, for joining us with those details.